Hi, welcome. I um that's still the wrong video. I haven't put any then the correct video. But hi, welcome. Welcome everybody. Nice intro. This is wrong. It doesn't have the please wait message. But hi, welcome. How is everybody doing today? You wanna forget how I scare you? I'm sorry. How's the volume, by the way? Chilling on this Sunday? Hi, welcome. Okay, I actually, feeling very lazy. Honestly, I'm a little bit the same, but, I figured that today we would do some more coding. I want to learn properly. And I think that the best way to learn is to practice. So I will do that. But doing great, finally you have the inspiration. Oh, that's I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, we're gonna do some more practice. Are you guys here? Am I quiet? I feel I'm a little quiet, maybe. I didn't change anything from last time, but learning coding is a journey. You've been doing professionally. No, I'm just stupid. I'm the dumbest. No, I know. I'm just starting, basically. Maybe a little tired sounding? I cannot fix that. I mean, I could go to bed right now. Don't they like 24-hour streams? Or like Sabatons, then my people go to bed? Like, and it's just like the stream and they're sleeping? Anyway. But yeah, much like last time, I guess this is kind of like a chatting stream. Because I can show you stuff and since it's not coursework, I don't have to be so locked in. Speaking of coursework, I have an exam on Thursday. So I'm likely not streaming on Thursday. I think on Tuesday we'll do some more RuneScape. And then Thursday, I'll work on my exam. So yeah, just so you know. Anyway, Python is simple and hard at the same time. That's what she said. I'm sorry. Okay, another thing. Two things. Okay, thing one. This website is exorcism. I will show it again. But because somebody asked on the last stream, on the bot, somebody asked on the comments. I guess I can write it here. This is how you write it. Like exorcism with an E. I don't know if that was on purpose, but that's the website if you wanna check it out on your own. Hi, welcome. You're new, welcome to the stream. We're doing some coding right now. I also play games. But welcome to that channel. That's one thing. Okay, the other thing. How do you guys feel about a Discord? Like a community Discord? I will ask again on Tuesday. But I've been thinking about a Discord. I'm not like a huge... I mean, you guys have seen it. I don't use social media a lot. I just don't. So I don't use Twitter or Blue Sky or... You know, that much, but I've been thinking and like... I guess a Discord could be nice. I've been making one already. I'm trying to figure things out. I don't know if it will happen. But so let me know if you want that. And then we'll see. Maybe Rimu can be that mod. Where's Rimu? Rimu? Okay, there you are. Alright, make a subreddit? How does one do that? I didn't know people could make... anyway. Alright, okay, so let's just, let's go to the website. But I do have one more thing. Because right now I have a confession to make. One second. This joke takes me too long. I'm actually a super programmer. And I have made a game. Do you guys want to see my game? You want to see it? Because I will show it. We'll start with my game. I am a super programmer. Okay, one second. Let me show you my game. Because Ami does what Nintendo don't. Let me just show you. I made this game with Scratch a while ago. Because I was trying to learn coding like 2 years ago. Maybe 3 years ago. So I made a game. Let me show you. Is the capture... Okay, it should be working. The audio, I mean. How do I make this full screen? Okay. So check out my game. Ami does what Nintendo don't. I don't remember the controls.
Game over.
Oh my god, is that too loud? I think that's too loud. 1 second. Game over instantly? It's a speedrun strategy. How do I control my character? Is it with the arrow keys?
Game over.
Okay, it is with the arrow keys. Alright, now we're ready. So, oh, this is too loud for me. Are you guys sure it's not too loud for you? But I'm Kirby. And I need to get the
Game
cookies.
over.
Are you guys sure it's not too loud? Let me make it a little bit quieter for me. But I do need to modify it for you as well. I think that's better. Okay, so basically, you use Kirby, and you have to get these cookies.
Game over.
I don't remember if Dark Matter appears because of time or score. I do not remember that. I think it's because of score. Actually, no, I think it's time. Also, I don't know why that collision is bad sometimes. But there's Dark Matter. When did I make this game? Oh, just yesterday. You know, I am a super programmer, so... making this... it's no big deal.
Game over.
Okay, I'm very bad at my game. I think that there is like a win condition. But I
Game
don't
over.
remember what it is. Look at my walk cycle. I don't know why Kirby gets so messed up. Also, these are all assets from different Kirby games. I don't remember the walk, but I know that the DD is from I think from Kirby Superstar. But I think that my Kirby is from one of the GBA games. Okay, let me just do this and then we'll start
Game over.
with Exorcism. One more time. You see? I am a super programmer. You see, there's even like a secret boss.
Game over.
Ami does what Nintendo don't. Anyway. Let me prefer the other stuff. But I made that. Okay. On her heart it would be to use the sprites. Watching my debut? Thank you. There's like a lot of lore explanations there. Alright, but actually let's go here, cause can I just like switch? Does that work? Oh yeah, you guys can see it, okay. So now let's just do some exercises. Also, I realized later that I can be in the middle. Keep the cool glasses. But I cannot see. I don't remember where to go. I guess here? Yeah, okay, well, we did this one last time. I think I left this one in progress because I wanted to come back to it. But let's try this. Meltdown. Oh, I guess it's about if statements. This shouldn't be too hard. Okay, let's just do it. Because I could be in the middle. But I do cover some of the code. So I guess I just stay here. Or maybe I could just maybe like that. What if I just stand on the code? That works. I guess I'll just stay like this. But I'll just go here. And I don't know, wait. I guess most things I don't cover. Alright, let's try here, but can I maybe... Okay. I don't know if that's better or worse. Okay. I think it is nuclear power. Alright, so let's see what I need to do here. Okay, so here's the instructions. Okay, so task 1. The first thing and the third, okay. So I have to make a function that takes temperature measured in Kelvin and neutrons as parameters and returns true. And I guess these are to return true. Okay, so let's do this. So I need an if statement. Wait. Can I do an if and? How many programming languages I know? 0. I'm learning Python from like scratch. What if I do what about this? That should work, right? Dark mode is better for eyes. My eyes are gone already. That's why I use... How do I change this to dark mode? There should be a setting somewhere, right? I think this saves, so I think I can go out. Let's see if I find settings. Okay, I'm a little bit scared about what may be there. So let me, for a moment. Oh, I'm in the void. Okay, yeah, there's a dark mode. Oh, it's what? I need to pay for this? Oh wait, there's a... Okay, there are two different dark modes. For some reason, one of them is pay. That's kind of weird. Alright, but I got it. It's not capturing though. 1 second. Okay. Is this better? Am I the type to leave multiple tabs? Actually, I don't think so. I do tend to like close things. Is this better? I don't mind the you know, the regular, but I do want it to be better for you guys. Okay. Is better for your eye trums. Also, where do I put myself? I guess I could just do like... That's good, right? I don't know. Cause last time I was like this. For like a moment I was in the middle. And it looked fine. It's just that my hair is like... It's like wider on the bottom. I guess this works. That works. Is it hard to see me in the middle? That's true. But I think I cut this one fine. Cause like a reactor is said to be in balance. Oh wait, the product of the temperature. Can I put another if statement here? Like another and? Does that work? I don't think I've seen it. Can I just put like another one here and like... Just go like temperature. Like this? How many zeros is this? I think it's 5. I can? Hi, welcome everybody. How are you guys doing today? How was your weekend? Because tomorrow is Monday. So the return has to be... I need to... That should work, right? It's okay. You're a clown? You know, some people are afraid of clowns. But I think they're fine. Just 1 second. Okay. Struggling to learn for yourself? I guess it's always good to have like a study group. Okay, I think this works for this. Or do I need to put an else? Just for the... I don't know if I need to do this, but I guess I'll do it. The crazy clown epidemic? I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, so I think this one is fine. This first function. Because we have like the name of the function. I think it's fine. Okay, so the next one. Yeah, so this is a reactor efficiency function. And you can follow along. I'm bad. What am I supposed to do with this one? Once the reactor has started producing power... Okay. So I'm guessing all of these are like... Okay, yeah, so this has to return a color. So this is just a bunch of if statements. Like, you know, if... We got 2 bots. Let me see if I can do something. Okay, so... Alright. I'll leave this open for... just in case. What am I supposed to do here? Also, I forgot what I was gonna say. I had something I wanted to talk about. I guess I already mentioned the Discord. You know, okay, I guess if we make a Discord, and I would ask on Tuesday out as well. Because I'm not used to Discord. I don't use Discord, so... What should my thing have? Like, you know, there's like channels. And I guess that they're different topics. I guess we can need a general chat. Reddit. How does one make a Reddit though? You have to determine the power efficiency. Yeah, I think it's just in if statements, right? Like just if. Oh wait, but efficiency. Okay, so first I need to calculate that though. As part of the function, I need to calculate the efficiency. It says generated power. I guess it's voltage times current. Isn't that Kirchhoff's law? For VTubers, is general chat, memes, art, gaming chat, and stream announcements. I see. Schedule. I don't have a schedule. I never had a schedule. It's just that my life is kinda... I have described it before, but like... I wake up, I study, then I go to work and I come back, and then I study more, and then I stream sometimes. So I don't have like a... I guess I usually do stream on like... on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays. Writing discussions. I guess that's true. I guess you know, the one thing that would be concerning oh, do you see that forbidden letter? Do you see that? Does Python even recognize this character? I don't know. Don't overthink the process. No, I need to be perfect. Efficiency. I think that's good. Okay, so if efficiency is 80% or more, so it's equals or like that, right? Return green. And then less than 80 but at least 60. So 80. Wait. At least 60 should be equals like this. Am I doing fine? Efficiency is below 60 but still 30 or more. So it's the same but with 60 and 30. Looks good. I hope so. I think that's good. Was that compiler? I'm using a website. It's called Exorcism with an E. And there's like exercises for practice. So that's what I'm using. Okay. Alright, so what is the next thing? I think I got this fine. So we just need one more. Okay, I'm doing way better than last time. Your final task. Okay, your final task involves creating a failsafe mechanism. Okay. Takes 3 parameters. This should be fine. This should be easy. It's just more if statements. One that is like levels? I guess there's multiple of this kind of website. Alright, so let's see. I want to delete these doc strings. They bother me for some reason. Anyway. Ever thought about learning C? I have thought about it, but I'm taking a class right now. And it is with Python. But I do want to learn the others. I was actually thinking maybe, like, cause my course is gonna end soon. Well, not soon. It's like but it's gonna end eventually. But I want to keep learning, so I think I'll just try to like maybe learn C after that. Especially because I do enjoy it. I like I like coding. It's fun. Maybe I'm not the smartest, but I like it. Hi, welcome. Yeah, we're using Exorcism. I actually debuted 6 months ago. So... Alright, so... I guess you can just put the if statements here. Okay. If temperature... Wait. Yeah, if that product is below 90% of threshold. So like that. Machine learning. It is free. There's like some paid options, but there's like some paid features, but I guess like this. Wait. It's called exorcism. Python is more friendly. You don't have auto-completion? I don't know what that is. But I don't know if it's even here. Because it's in a website. Yeah, I'm trying to like... give me 1 second, I'll be right back. It's quick. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, I also write. Okay, let's just keep going. So what am I supposed to do in this one? So if the value of this is within 3% of threshold, within 10%, so either 0, okay. Well, okay, so I know that the last one, like it says here that if it's not either of these, I guess we return danger. But I don't know how to do this one. Oh yeah, I love horror. I like writing horror. How do I do this part? Thanks for coming. Plus minus looks to be a deviation. Yeah, because it's within 10% of the threshold. Is it? Okay. Okay, okay. So it's within 10% of the threshold. So either 0 or 10% less than the threshold. Okay, I think I get it. It has to be within like either 10% less or 10% more. So it's like wait. But okay. I think like this. But I need to figure out these things. I guess this should be equal. Maybe. I guess we can try it and we'll see. Yeah, so this is greater than the threshold. Like, this is 10% greater than the threshold. And this is 10% less. I think that works. Okay. Wait, what's bad about this? Oh, it's that. Okay, it's backwards. It's like this, right? Okay. So everything failed. Why? Neutron's emitted is not defined. Where is that? I think I didn't put a T, one T. Okay. Oh, there's so many. Oh, this is the same failure. I'm just gonna run the test again. Okay, so the first one is fine. So what's wrong with my second one? Okay, another one that is not defined? Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Oh yeah, because these are strings. Right? Like it's returning a string value. I think so. Okay, so that's good. So what's the problem here? Oh, it's the same problem. These are strings. Hi, welcome. One step at a time. Okay. That's good. I mean, I had some issues at first, but I guess overall we got it. Okay. These characters again. Oh, you're stupid, they're saying. I don't get them, but we did it, so. I'll leave them so we can come back to him. Okay. You won't trust AI? I mean... Uh, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep going. Um, should I start this? So this is comparison. I'd say yes. I guess we can do it. Okay, just give me 1 second. And I'll be right back, okay? Just 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. Um... Okay, I guess we can keep doing this. Um... Let me just get things ready. I'm probably ending soon though. Let's just check what this is. What? Cacao cream pies? Okay. Okay. So what is this supposed to be? I mean, didn't I just use these operators? Alright. How's coding going? I guess it's going fine. Okay, so where's the instructions? Okay, so first we need to calculate the value of a card. You had pumpkin pie? That's nice. I don't think I ever had pumpkin pie. Okay, so... Pumpkin pie is good? Hi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so I guess I need to take the string of card and I need to give it a numerical value. But are all the strings, are all of them strings? Like all of the inputs are strings, I guess. So we need to translate all of them to their value. So I think I can do... Okay, first I'm gonna define... Wait, can I do... Can I do like a range of numbers if like... Even if the inputs are strings? Pie tasting stream? I don't know. I don't know how to do this, wait. I mean, I guess, I can just do this. Maybe like that. Wait, but these are... Can I do like or? Just like that. I don't think that works. Oh, hi, welcome. Thanks for catching the live. I really appreciate it. And I mean, thank you all for like watching and and talking to me and stuff. I really appreciate it. I really do. I've been taking kind of a beating lately. Some of you guys know already why. So it does I'm very grateful for you. Should I just put all of the numbers as or? Like 2 or 3? There must be a better way to do this. But I'm doing it that's the way. That works. And I can just be like that, right? That should make it an integer. How does it know what to return? Yeah, maybe that doesn't work. Wait, can you guys even see this? Yeah, you can, okay. Because sometimes for some reason it like gets confused. It will have to return different based on the other characters. So maybe if the I think it probably depends on the score. I guess that's true, huh? You would need to return 1 or 11 based. Yeah, I guess so. I guess and. Oh, wait. Um... Wait, I mean, here it says that I should just assign one. Maybe the 11 is later. Right, because this is here. That's just one. Yeah, so this function should fix the value of... Okay. So this should be just one. I think that works. I mean, that's what it's saying. Just keep it at one. I think I can actually run the test first. And just keep running them and check as I do other stuff. Okay. Okay. Assertion error 10 is not equals to 2. Yeah, I'm allowed to. Also, hi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I mean, I'm studying coding. Okay, so something's wrong here. So card, okay. Why did it make it be 10? Hi, welcome. I want to learn C at some point. I think after I'm done learning Python. Why is 2 being given 10? Also, I guess I missed 10 here. I don't think that's gonna fix it, but... Yeah, okay, I don't... Wait, this is a dictionary. No, wait, no, it's not a dictionary. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Yeah, it's either a tuples. But this is just the test data. Why is my 2 being assigned a 10? I mean, it says if card... Wait, these are ellipses, right? Maybe that's why? Actually, maybe it should be an else. Because it's the only other option. Like, this is, like, if it's not a... It's not a face card or an A. It has to be a number. Right, so this should just, like... That should work, I think. Okay. Why is this not working? Or are the numbers... Are the numbers supposed to just be integers already? Yeah, but here it's telling us to, like... To leave A as 1. That tuples can be strings. Okay, let's see. Why is this not working? Like, I don't... So if the card is this... Oh, do I need to, like... Do I need to do that for each of them? Maybe. But I do? Okay. Is that gonna fix things? But isn't... I thought card was always a string. Okay, we got it. So task 1 is passed. Okay, so I need to put this every time. Interesting. Thank you for the help. Alright, so what's the next thing? Okay, so determine which card has a higher value. You can also leave card in J. I don't know that syntax. It enters the first value and then the second value? Alright, so let's define high params card 1 and card 2 for scoring purposes. You should determine which has the higher value. Okay. Yeah, but this is the input is like a string here on the numbers. The in operator checks if it's in an array. I see. Okay. So it's gonna have to compare both. But I need their values. Like their numerical values. I'm gonna try on my own. First. So let's see. because I need the values. How do I get the values here? Or are they the values that are here? Because like this is just returning if you call this function. Can I just call the function? I guess I can just call the function, right? I can just call the other function. And I can be like card1 value. And it's just gonna be the value of card function with this input. And that should give me the number. And then I'll do the same for the second one. And that's gonna give me the value. And now I can compare them, because now they're integers. So I can say it's supposed to return the highest card, right? So this should return this should work. Oh wait, but if they're the same, it needs to give both. It needs to return both. I think that works. Right, because I first call the value card function to make them numbers. And then the if statements is just it's just comparing them. Well, I guess here they're telling me to use a comma. I think that works. Okay. Of course. Okay. Tuples differ. Oh, okay, because I need to return that the original card, not the value. Right, it's the original. That is very confusing, honestly. With that double equals. Alright, so we got task 2, fine. So we got task 3. Calculate the value of an ace. Yeah, so the ace can be either 1 or 11. Your function will have to decide if the upcoming ace Okay, so first we need to figure out the values of the 2 cards that we have. And if the sum is I guess less than 10, we get the 11. Is that it? I think that's it. So first let's use the... Let's just call the same function. So value of card. We call the functions. And now we can compare this. Well, I guess, let's call it like some value. And now we need to figure out what this is. Like, we need to figure out if this is less than 10. Oh, hi, welcome. Yeah, we're trying to learn to code. Yeah, basically Python. I do wanna learn the others. Like, I think I want to learn C after this. Actually, okay, I do have a question. Okay, so there's C, and then there's C sharp, and then C++. What's the difference? And which one should I learn first? My end goal? I'm going to be a super programmer. No, I have stuff that I want to do. C++, C++. C++ seems like it's used pretty often. So what is I guess my question is like, if I learn C++, do I know C sharp? I don't think so, right? How different are the C languages? I guess it's hard to recommend. C sharp handles memory differently. I understand what that means. C is a systems programming language. Depends on what I want to do. What if I just want to be a super programmer? No, I guess it depends. Because I enjoy C sharp is closer to Python. You have a lot more control. Was that a JoJo reference? I was about to... Okay, what can I... I reject my humanity, JoJo. And then he puts on the stone mask. I actually really like Phantom Blood. I've seen people be like, oh, you should skip it. That's wrong. A bit of a reality check. I need a more specific goal. Interesting. So basically, I want to be able to write basically simulations of physical phenomena. So it could be the most important thing. He has a goal to exist outside. C++ or Go. So C++. What if I also want to make a game? No, but my main goal is that my main goal is to blow up. Are you AI? Yes. I'm an AI. And I'm struggling with this. No, but I'm not AI. Sometimes I wish I was an AI. And it wouldn't hurt so much. Oh, that's the like, sorry. C++ can also be good for gaming. Go lets you run code. Oh, why are there so many languages? C isn't bad for learning. C# if you use Unity. Any serious player should learn C. What is the first language? Is it C? For coding? I don't know. Alright, but so if some value is less than or equals to 10, I guess like this. That should work. Machine code. COBOL. The first you learned was JavaScript? Ada Lovelace? I know about her. I once wrote a story with a character that was a reference. As I learn more, I guess so. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay. Okay. Wait, I have written a note. For teaching purposes, C or Racket is the best. I'm learning basically Python from scratch. But it's been like a month now. Python is good to start. What about what was the name of the one with the camel? They have a bunch of languages here. Alright, so if the sum value is less than or equals to 10, then we need an 11. That's how I would think about it. Hi, welcome. Right, because if the sum value is less than 10, you would want 10, 11. I need to know my goals. It's mostly simulations. I don't get why this is wrong. So it says that 2 and 8 they were expecting 1. The function returned 11. Why? A has a value. Oh wait, because A. Yeah, but if A. Let's say that this is 2 and this is A, so that the sum would be 3. Why would the test expect 1? Simulations of physics. Is to be hard as possible without going over 21. So I guess I should first. Okay. I may not be able to finish this, because I do need to end soon. Okay. Wait, I guess the value of card function sets this to 1. So here, I need another if statement. What's the most beautiful thing I want to do in my life? Is that a bot? I still think it's a good question. I guess I can tell you what I want to do as a VTuber. I wish I were. I'm sorry. I just saw like question daily and you had a question. And I was like, okay. Anyway. I want to like inspire creativity. I want to inspire creativity. And I want the community. That's basically what it is. Yeah. And I want to exist outside. I'm not gonna get into it again, but that is a creative goal. I guess not so much like a VTuber goal, but it is a creative goal to exist outside. And it's hard, but to exist out there in the world. I guess so. I wanna. I'm sure you'll get there. I mean, I'm gonna keep trying. You know, we've talked about this, so I don't wanna like. I mean, you saw the chat earlier. Some recent developments make it much harder to exist outside. And I'll keep trying my best, but what is a VTuber? But welcome. I don't know, it's gonna... I guess I just need to keep trying. And one day we'll exist outside. I guess, you know what is like a very concise way to think about the outside? If you Google Alumina Blumbella right now, you get my channel and you get my Blue Sky and my Twitter. That is inside because I made those. And I control those. The outside is something, and it can take many forms. But it's something that exists independently from me, but it is still calls back. Anyway, I'm sorry. How do I do this? I may have to end soon though, because I have some stuff to do later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end right now, actually. But okay, I guess I got these. And well, I think this saves, by the way. It like saves your progress. Because we did manage to do this one, the meltdown. There's like a bunch. Wait, all of this is supposed to be learning? These are the easy ones? Oh my god. And it takes me forever to make the learnings. Oh, that... It like flashed for a moment. Anyway. I guess I'll see you next time. I don't think I can stream on Thursday. Because I have my exam. But I will stream on Tuesday. We're probably gonna do some more RuneScape. Your dream of existing outside is important? Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you next time. Um, Thanks for stopping by and for spending time with me. Um, yeah. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.